development news now. We're hearing from the Victortown supervisor following what could have been the final legal fight regarding the vacant Lord & Taylor space in Eastview Mall. Dan Gross first brought us this story. He joins us now in the studio with more on what the supervisor had to say today. Dan.
Teresa, the court date earlier this week was based on an appeal filed just about a year ago. A quick refresher, Victor wants to use the process called eminent domain to take over the old Lord & Taylor space from its owner, both for private businesses and public use. Today, we heard what Supervisor Jack Marin had to say. This week, Hudson's Bay Company, the owner of the Lord & Taylor brand and the vacant lot in Eastview Mall, as well as a representative for the town of Victor, made their case in court. Should Victor be allowed to use eminent domain to take over the vacant Lord & Taylor space? Today, we heard from Victortown Supervisor Jack Marin, who said that he himself has heard from 2 interested stores in the lot.
There certainly is interest in this parcel, and I'm very, I feel strongly that at some point will prevail.
This appeal followed a decision in which the judge said Victor did not have a thorough enough plan. Now Victor says they do. 2 tenants would go into the space, a fashion retailer and a local grocer, and then a third part of it would be leased back to the town for municipal use. Marin said it will be designed to generate foot traffic. Wilmorite tells me today they are negotiating with 2 tenants already, and Marin expressed frustration at the lack of communication from HBC, who claimed in court they are working hard to fill the space.
I've yet to hear from any officials from HBC.
Marin says he simply wants a vibrant mall, since, as he said, the mall is now one of the biggest employers and economic drivers of the town and Ontario County.
Dick's store, and thank you very much, everyone, because on Black Friday, Dick's was the #1 performing store in the United States. Overall, in 2023, they were #5. So we have an anchor store that is a high-performing store. And that's not to say that this area of the mall, or Lord & Taylor is, that the same thing can't be repeated there with another anchor store.
Marin hinted today as well that plans at the mall will continue to evolve down the road, even hinting at Marketplace Mall's successful model that's including housing there as well as that new orthopedic center. But first, they need to make retail happen at Eastview Mall first. Now, I have reached out to HBC and I haven't heard back yet. Marin said today that he expects a decision on this appeal court hearing within 6 months, while Wilmorite told me today they expect to, quote, learn more in the next 2 to 3 months. Reporting in the studio, Dan Gross, News 8.